I never dreamed of running a campsite, but it's actually turned out to be the most amazing experience. My name is Tom from Creu Farm, home of Willow Springs Campsite and waterfall saunas and the Hafan Rainforest Alliance. Glencorrig's at the end of the Hafan Valley. The village is surrounded by sheep farms and it's a dark sky area. It's so peaceful and tranquil here. We've got our community garden and you've got 80 square kilometres of Hafan Forest Park. We see people coming to visit from all over Europe, as well as Neath Talbot. Everyone who comes here absolutely loves it. It's such a stunning place and it's steeped in history. If you go back 1,000 years, this whole valley would have been rainforest. Last year we found a pocket of temperate Atlantic rainforest on the farm. It's a really special ancient habitat. There's 4 of us who live here. Georgia works closely with our friend Mouse, an ecologist from the village. They run the Hafan Rainforest Alliance project.
Should we go take a look in the nature garden? I moved into the village 2019, so 6 years ago now. 6 years, and just instantly fell in love with the place with the aim of helping to restore some of the Hafan Valley's temperate rainforests. So we've got little pockets dotted all around. We've got beautiful lichens absolutely just covering some of these branches. Everywhere you look, there's just life, and it's beautiful. Like, why wouldn't you love this place? And the people here are lush, the community. They're beautiful. They're so beautiful.
Our vision for Willow Springs is to foster a place where community and ecology can thrive side by side. We're going to set up a series of workshops where you can come and explore field-based experiments using some quite cool equipment and learning how to map ecology on site. I just really can't wait to see what happens next.
Rob's a filmmaker, music producer and multi-instrumentalist.
Here you've got some instruments where we do our music workshops up on the mountain. Get out the city and come and feel inspired and free to do music. We've got Balinese gamelan, we've got kudu horns from Central Africa, mbiras from Zimbabwe, West African Ghanaian drumming, nyanga pipes from Mozambique. We're proud to offer these diverse workshops in Neath Talbot. So people can come, get out the city and come and record and find space, freedom and be inspired by the mountains to create music in a beautiful setting, work hard all day and then go and have a waterfall sauna at night and go for walks in the forest, go for a bike ride. When people come here and record, they leave feeling like they've had a reset.
Tom is a very talented designer. We invented a sash bed for the shepherd's huts, which raises up to the ceiling.
We used weights, counterweights, similar to a sash window. The guests really love it. And we're always trying to bring more value to the place and give people more reason to come here and to make their stay more comfortable. The thing that really brought me to Willow Springs was the outside activities. It's the environment, it's the hills, the nature and the local community is hard to beat anywhere else.
It's amazing because you can be mountain biking in here in the morning and then you can be swimming in a waterfall in the afternoon and then you can have fish and chips by the seaside. It's like such a spectacular place to live. I'd never really experienced community until we moved to Glencorrig. It's the friendliest village. Everybody knows everyone's business. They say they're nosy, but they're absolutely lovely and I've never felt more at home anywhere.